Hey everyone, welcome to today's creative food, and today I'm making a how to train your dragon cake for a little girl that's having a birthday. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and we're going to have a lot of fun. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is ice the cake. You can see that I crumb coated. Now crumb coating is when you fill the cake and then you seal it with a very thin layer of icing, and then you actually put it in the refrigerator or the freezer overnight or for a few hours to let it set and seal. So now you have a perfect foundation to start your icing and your decorating. So let's get started with that. So I always put icing on the top first. Everyone has their own schools of thought of how they do that. I always put more than I'm actually going to need, so I have a nice firm foundation, and then I take the rest of the icing off. And then just ice the sides, putting a little bit here and there. You can also use an icer, which is a big decorating bag that has a icing tip. I know a lot of people do that. I never was trained that way, so I don't do it, but I know it works for a lot of people. So basically you're just going to take your scraper and just go smoothly out. It's almost like as if you're ice skating on top of the cake, using that blade. I have a little lip in this plate, so I have to be a little bit careful. Usually I like to just go right around, but because I have the lip, I have to get kind of down in there. I'm gonna do a little bit of a border on the cake so it won't show all of that at the bottom. Okay, now that you have it nice and smooth, now you're ready for the top. And you just kind of pull from the edge into the center. And I scrape off each time. So get a nice, even across. On this particular cake, it does not have to be completely combed at the top because I'm doing a lot of decorating work on the top. All right, we are ready to decorate. So I wanted to show you some of the things that I did to make this How to Train a Dragon cake. I bought some of this foam sheet. It comes like in sheets like this, and this is a kind that's not sparkly. This was sparkly. And then what I did is I just made a template, and it has this sticky stuff in the back. So when I took my bamboo stick, I just basically lifted it off, put the bamboo stick, put the seal it back on, and then it made this thing. So it'll go right into the cake for the dragon wings. Also, I took some white fondant and I just made basically a half a circle, and then just kind of folded it in with another bamboo stick, and I let it dry overnight. So these are going to be the ears that are going to go inside. And then the eyes, you can actually use buttercream, but I did make some green fondant, and I just again made a template, and I just cut it out, and then I let these fondants dry overnight so I can insert it in the cake just when I'm ready to go. All right, so we are now ready just to decorate the cake.